ST, a car that is brimming with Ford performance excitement. Available as a hatchback or an estate, it's the car that can do it all. Here are 7 reasons why. From low-key to extrovert, there's a Focus ST for every taste. Want to slip under the radar? Go for deep impact blue, available across the range. Want to make a fuss? There's race red or tangerine screen. The refreshed and updated Focus ST stands out from the rest of the range by virtue of its sporty body kit. This includes ST-specific bumper designs with a rear diffuser, as well as the signature central exhaust, reprofiled grille and ground-hugging side skirts. The Focus ST doesn't forget to make its mark inside as well as out. In addition to colour-coded Recaro seats, there's a sporty gauge cluster showing turbo boost, oil temperature and oil pressure. There's also a new flat-bottomed ST steering wheel and plenty of ST branding to remind you that you're in something a bit special. Ford's Sync 3 infotainment system is standard on the updated Focus ST. It offers a slick 8-inch touchscreen interface to manage your phone, music, navigation and more. With fresh, clean graphics and a user-friendly interface, it has DAB as standard. It can also be upgraded to the premium Sync 3 infotainment system, which has even better quality audio. The Focus ST's pin-sharp and precise handling has always been a strong reason to buy. Responsive steering and race-style sport suspension offer the perfect balance of comfort and control. Driver assists, such as electronic torque vectoring control, are now even better. An added feature called Enhanced Transitional Stability helps to control the vehicle in manoeuvres such as emergency lane changes. Want to make your Focus ST even sportier? 2 trims and a range of option packs let you choose the look that suits your taste. Whether you go for the base ST2 trim or the top ST3 trim, style packs let you add black or silver 19-inch wheels that work perfectly with distinctive red brake calipers. New for the updated model and for the first time on ST, there is a diesel edition, which looks identical to the petrol version. The Focus ST's diesel engine is more powerful than in the regular model and delivers significant performance benefits, especially in the all-important mid-range acceleration. With revised gearing to suit the new engine and an automatic option, this diesel combines impressive economy with a thrilling sporting character. From a red-blooded hatchback to a practical estate, there's a Focus ST for everyone. Whatever you go for, one thing is the same throughout the range. The Focus ST is a true performance Ford.